introduce you guys to another shop that I support. This is a friend of mine who manages and runs this. He's the creator. His name's Logan, and my friend Trey, I think, does all the design. But it's all Mischief. Please give these guys a check out. Their clothing's amazing, fits well, and you're supporting yet another local company that supports the racing community and industry. It's all Mischief. Please give them a like and follow on Instagram. I'll put a link to their Instagram channels and a link to their t-shirts and other products. Thank you guys. Please give them a follow, and I'd appreciate it. All right, I know you guys like unboxing videos, so this is the last piece for my Whipple kit. Let's see what we got in here. Hopefully I don't fuck anything up. So this is a quick unboxing video. I'll probably do a deeper dive into this, but this is from Whipple. For those of you with a 10 rib kit, this is the alternator bracket. So let's see what we got going on in here. We got ourselves a bunch of paper, piece, whatever the fuck this is. No idea what the hell that is. So it looks like there's more parts in here. Pieces, hardware, belt, pulley, more brackets. So yeah, there you guys go. If you have not seen what comes in a kit real quick, I will do a deeper unboxing, but this is just for you guys to see. There you go.